Hi everyone. I just wanted to talk a little bit about this week's Pre-Fi-X assignment. So this is just a little reminder on page 1 about what we've been learning about. We have 3 weeks left in the class. This week we're going to spend some time looking at post-secondary websites. And then the last 2 weeks of the quarter you will be writing a short TED Talk. Please don't be overwhelmed by it. It will be short and I'll guide you the entire way. So you can read the little letter that I have to you. Okay, you're going to start by telling me what your thoughts are right now on further education. Then you're going to be exploring RCTC's website. So I want to model this a little bit for you. So you're going to go to rctc.edu. Okay, and then you're going to start by clicking on academics and academic pathways and programs. So we're just looking at this website because most college websites are very similar. Okay, so we're just going to try local. Okay, once you're there, you're going to pick 2 different majors. So you can click through and pick 2 that you're, even a little bit interested in. So I'm going to try out, let's just try accounting here. And so this one has 2 different program options, a diploma option and an associate's degree option. Associate degrees are generally 2 years long and around 60 credits. So then I'll click on one of these, the one that I'm most interested in. And there's program plan, recommended course sequence, and job outlook information. So I'll start by going into program plan. This tells me the different types of classes that I'll have to take and the titles for those classes. And then these are the program outcomes. This is what I would be learning in the program. So you'll need all of that information for some of the questions. Okay, now if I go back into that, the recommended course sequence. So if I'm a full-time student, this program would take me 4 semesters to complete, and part-time 9 semesters, so much longer. Full-time students take at least 12 credits. And then job outlook information. So potential careers for this path are accountants and auditors, which of course is not the only one, but those are some potential occupations that you can get. All right, so that's the information that will go in this chart. So you'll use those 3: program plan, recommended course sequence, and job outlook information to complete those questions. Okay, then you're going to be clicking on admissions and apply, and then later for another question, admissions and cost and how to pay. Finally, you're going to kind of browse through some of these other tabs and just tell me about 3 things that you learn about the college. Okay, so that's just some of the basics about exploring a college website. Then it's going to be the meat of the assignment. So you're going to explore 2 other post-secondary education options. And I have that note there. Again, you might not be interested in furthering your education right away. It's just a chance for you to learn about your options. I've had enough conversations with seniors this year, and so few have actually explored websites like this. So I want you to have this chance now. And when I talk about post-secondary education options, I'm not only talking about colleges. So you could do local unions. And so they have like the construction union, plumbers, pipe fitters, sheet metal workers, carpenter, and you can click on their website and explore their website a little bit too. Okay, you can look at state universities like Google University of Minnesota Duluth. You can do military options. I really like this MnState website. This allows me to see all of the schools in Minnesota, and I can even search by program. If I just put in cosmetology, then I can see every school in Minnesota that has a cosmetology program. And I will say that the community college cosmetology programs are much cheaper than, say, Nova or Aveda, for example. So it's worth checking out your different options. And you can also search their whole menu of majors too. Okay, so once you've picked 2 options that you want to compare, then you'll write them on the chart below, right here. just like I've done in the example. So I'm going to compare Riverland Community College for a cosmetology major and then Nova Cosmetology School. I want to compare tuition. How expensive are both of them? I want to compare how long they both are, compare about housing, compare application fees. Essentially, you're going to be figuring out what you want to compare in both of your options. All right, so that's this week's assignment. You can always email me or text me with questions. Thank you.